Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You want to connect with with other Empower users and learn from experts? Well, here's how to join the community forums and events. Point one, community forums. Empower occasionally hosts online discussion spaces where users share budgeting tips, investment strategies, and tool hacks. You want to look for announcements in the Help Center or email newsletter. For webinars and events, well, Empower offers live monthly webinars on topics like retirement planning and investments. You can register through the Learning Center or your email invites. Point three is past recordings. Now, if you missed an event, don't worry. You can often watch past webinar recordings in the Learning Center at any time. For blogs and social media, you can stay updated on new forums and events by following Empower's blogs, the currency, and of course the official LinkedIn or Twitter pages. Joining Empower's community helps you to stay motivated, informed, and supported on your financial journey. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.